In the vast, silent theater of eternity, before time itself had a name, a single vibration stirred the cosmic stillness. Imagine a sound so profound it held the blueprint for all that would ever be. This was not a sound heard by ears, but a tremor felt by the soul of existence. It was a gentle hum that rippled through the endless quiet, a soft golden whisper that carried the promise of life. This primordial echo, this first breath of the universe, is known to us as Om. It is the eternal song of creation, a melody that continues to resonate within every particle of our world and within the very core of our being. This is where our journey begins. Om is more than just a word. It is the sacred syllable of the cosmos. In the ancient traditions of Hinduism, it is revered as the most fundamental sound, the source from which all other sounds and all of creation emerge. It is the signature of the divine, a gentle reminder of our connection to the infinite. When we chant Om, we are not merely making a noise. We are tuning into a frequency that has existed since the dawn of everything. We are aligning ourselves with the rhythm of the universe, with the gentle, loving pulse that orchestrates the dance of galaxies, stars, and planets across the endless expanse of space. From this single, resonant vibration, the universe blossomed into being. Picture a single point of brilliant divine light expanding outward, unfurling like a celestial flower. This light carried the sound of Om within it, scattering seeds of potential across the void. These seeds grew into spiraling galaxies, each a testament to that first creative impulse. They became burning suns, their golden rays warming the darkness. They formed the planets, the moons, the rivers, and the mountains. Every star that twinkles in the night sky is a distant echo of that first sound, a flicker of the original flame that set the cosmos ablaze with life and wonder. The sound of Om is the thread that weaves the fabric of reality together. It connects the macrocosm of the universe to the microcosm within each of us. The same energy that ignites a distant star also flows through our veins. The same vibration that holds galaxies in their graceful orbits also harmonizes our thoughts and emotions. To understand Om is to understand that we are not separate from the universe. We are an integral part of its magnificent symphony. We are stardust and spirit, woven from light and sound. Om is the key that unlocks this profound realization, guiding us back to our source. The sacred sound of Om is composed of three distinct phonetic parts: A, U, and M. Each sound carries its own unique vibration and a deep spiritual significance, representing the cyclical nature of all existence. The first sound, A, emerges from the back of the throat, an open and expansive vibration. This sound symbolizes the act of creation and is connected to the divine creator, Brahma. It represents the beginning of all things, the birth of the universe, and the dawning of consciousness. It is the sound of pure potential, the moment when the unmanifested first takes form, full of promise and new life. From the creative energy of A, we flow into the second sound, U. This sound is formed in the middle of the mouth, a rolling, nurturing vibration that represents the principle of preservation. It is connected to the deity Vishnu, the sustainer who maintains balance and order in the cosmos. Think of the U sound as the life-giving force that keeps the universe in motion. It is the energy that guides the planets in their orbits, that makes the rivers flow to the sea, and that sustains the breath of life within every living creature. It is the gentle, steady hand that preserves the beauty and harmony of creation. The journey of the sound concludes with M, a soft, humming vibration, created with closed lips. This final sound represents the act of dissolution or transformation and is linked to the deity Shiva, the transformer. The M sound symbolizes the inevitable return of all things to their source. It is not an end, but a transition, emerging back into the silent potential from which everything first arose. It signifies the release of old forms to make way for the new, the closing of a cycle that allows for a fresh beginning. This sound brings a sense of peace, completion, and surrender to the divine flow. These three sounds, A, U, and M, are beautifully mirrored in the natural world. A, the sound of creation, is like a sacred lotus flower, slowly unfurling its petals at dawn, revealing the golden light within. U, the sound of preservation, is like a great flowing river, constantly moving and nourishing the land it touches, sustaining all life along its banks. M, the sound of dissolution, is like the gentle flame of a candle, which consumes the wax and transforms it into light and heat, returning it to a purer state of energy. Together, they form a complete and perfect cycle of life. The power of Om extends beyond its spiritual meaning. It can be witnessed in the physical world through the fascinating science of cymatics. Cymatics is the study of how sound vibration creates visible geometric patterns. When the sound of Om is chanted into a device that transmits its frequency onto a surface covered with sand, water, or other particles, a beautiful and intricate pattern emerges. This pattern, known as the Shri Yantra, is a sacred geometric symbol in Hinduism, representing the unity of the divine masculine and feminine and the map of cosmic creation. It is a visual confirmation that sound has the power to create form. This phenomenon reveals that Om is not just an abstract concept, but a tangible, creative force. The vibration of this sacred sound literally organizes matter into a state of harmony and coherence. It shows us that the universe is built upon a foundation of vibrational energy, where specific frequencies give rise to specific forms. The elegant, symmetrical patterns created by the sound of Om are a mirror of the order and intelligence that underlie all of creation. It is as if the sound itself contains a divine blueprint, a sacred geometry that shapes the world around us and within us, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. When we chant Om, we are creating these harmonious vibrations within our own bodies. Our physical being is composed mostly of water, an excellent conductor of sound. The resonance of the chant travels through every cell, gently massaging our internal organs and calming our nervous system. It helps to clear energetic blockages and restore a state of natural balance and well-being. This inner alignment is a powerful form of healing. We are literally tuning our bodies to the frequency of cosmic harmony, washing away stress and discord with the pure, healing vibrations of this ancient and sacred sound. This internal symphony of sound brings a profound sense of peace and connectedness. The vibrations of A, U, and M resonate in different parts of the body, creating a holistic experience of unity. The A sound vibrates in the lower abdomen, grounding us. The U sound moves up into the chest and heart center, filling us with compassion. The M sound hums in the head and third eye, elevating our consciousness. By chanting Om, we are not just making a sound, we are embarking on a journey through our own inner landscape, harmonizing our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves with the song of the universe. The true power of Om is fully realized in the silence that follows the sound. After chanting, we sit in quiet meditation, allowing the vibrations to settle and dissolve. It is in this stillness that we can truly feel the effects of the sound. Imagine a person sitting in a peaceful, cross-legged posture, their eyes gently closed. A soft, golden aura of light begins to form around them, expanding with each quiet breath. This light is the residue of the chant, the energy of peace and harmony made visible. The world outside fades away, and the only reality is this warm, comforting glow of inner divinity. In this serene state, the symbol of Om may appear in the mind's eye, floating in the space behind the closed eyelids. It shimmers with a gentle golden light, a beacon in the quiet darkness of the inner world. As the meditator continues to breathe, this luminous symbol begins to slowly dissolve. It does not vanish, but rather transforms, its lines and curves softening and melting away. The form of Om merges back into the pure, formless energy from which it came. This is the final stage of the journey, the return to the source, the dissolution represented by the M sound. The golden Om symbol dissolves into a single, brilliant point of white light. This light is pure consciousness, the ultimate reality, the silent, all-encompassing presence that exists beyond sound and form. It is the essence of our true self, the divine spark within. The meditator feels a sense of merging with this light, a profound feeling of oneness with everything. The boundaries between the self and the universe disappear. There is no longer a person meditating. There is only the meditation itself. There is only peace, bliss, and a connection to the infinite. This experience is the ultimate goal of chanting Om. It is a journey from sound to silence, from form to formlessness, from the individual self to the universal spirit. The chant is the boat that carries us across the ocean of our minds, and the silence that follows is the shore of enlightenment. In that silent, luminous space, we remember who we truly are. We are not just drops in the ocean. We are the entire ocean in a drop. We are expressions of that first cosmic vibration, forever connected to the eternal divine light of Om.